Okay, guys, as we can see here, why I took this trade. Okay, so market bounced here. Okay, so pulled back, then hit the ATR again, and it was completely reversed. Okay, so just buyers couldn't put the price higher. We tagged the ATR here. Okay, this is the ATR. So never buy it, guys, at the ATR. Okay, never buy. Okay, over here. If we are red, you see over here, it penetrated the ATR and reversed. Okay, so this is a bearish, it's a bearish pattern. Okay, so as you can see, market went to the downside. The Nasdaq was sleeping here. We see a box was sleeping here. We see 1,000 contracts short over here. Okay, if it was a trap trader, okay, so what's a trap trader? A trap trader means that buyers, they were over here selling short, and the market would have reversed here, and they should have exit the market and push the price up. Okay, because they need to buy the contracts again. Okay, so then we see here, 500 contracts is too little, so they couldn't push the price up. Sellers jump in and exit and broke the ATR. Okay, remember that my favorite trade is when the market breaks the second ATR. Okay, so we can expect the market to go a little bit lower from here. We're gonna place another limit order here. We're gonna wait and see what happens. There's no need to give it more room. Okay, there we go.
Short signal yes.
All 900 contract short.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, guys, I'm out.
Order canceled.
The market can reverse from here, can make a pullback, and you stop me out. So it was okay. Added a little bit, but market is not pushing anymore. Volume is, as you can see, volume is lowering the volume. So, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. At least over $1,000 here. Okay, just having patience, guys. If you are just a little, knowledge. If you see the market, okay, so if you see the market in these areas here, just doing ping pong, okay, just don't trade. Just wait for the Nasdaq to break, because if the Nasdaq breaks, everything else is gonna follow. Okay, so that's how it works. Don't try to win in between here. There's no volume here. There's no volume here. You can see the big guys pouring in when the Nasdaq breaks down. When the Nasdaq breaks down, you can enter a trade. Okay, but on that Yes, because the Nasdaq, as you can see here, a reversal bar is 40 ticks. Okay, so well, if you're trading micros, it's okay, but if you're trading the minis, it's a lot of money. So it's a big pullback. As you can see, the ES haven't even reversed yet, so it's more manageable. Okay, so you don't need to make a lot of money every day. So just try to put a little bit of money, in the account, and that's it. Just wait for the market to reveal where it's gonna go. Okay, you don't need to be a genius or try to front run the market. That's all that you need. And if you're using a prop firms, you know what it means. You cannot trade too much. You have drawdown, a daily loss limit. Okay, if you were trading on earn to trade, or another ones, or the other one, I don't remember how it's called. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. Just wanted to let you know why this trade was planned in before. Market was, as you can see, we were below the two ATRs, the red ones, and the bigger one. Okay, so market is not pushing up. Buyers are, once they hit the higher part, you can see the sellers pushing the price down again. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description in the video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, and you can also add me to Skype, guys. We can Skype down there. I can tell you any information that you want.